Very nice crayon. Twistable. Cannot be broken. Finish already? Oh, why? Will you count your crayons, really? Will you count your crayons? How many do you have? 1? What color is that? Huh? What color is that, Bear? Twist. What color is that? Red. Very good. Oh, you color na the flowers. Red. Yes, the chair is also red. You color na. Oh, look at the flowers. Oh, orange. What color? Yes, this one. This one. What's this? What color? Yellow. This one. Violet. Other one. This one. Oh, very good. Ano na? Oh, you color na. Count natin. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7. 7. Continue. 7. Continue. 7. Ay, naku, that is low already. Oh, do not twist all. Oh. Again, you count. 7. Not twisting eh. Oh, yan. Ten. Oh. Oh, you count again. 6, 7, 8. 8. Faster. 8. I do not know how to count. Dali. 8. Count na, dali. Louder. Again. Ready, go. 1, 6, 7. You put this. Not so like that only. I cannot see na